Learn English with your Instill.
Number 1. Meeting new people.
Hello, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. You?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, cool. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. How about you?
I like it too. It's pretty.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English. Do you speak English?
A little. I'm learning.
That's great. How long?
6 months now.
Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the way to learn. Good job.
Thanks. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Anna. Have a good day.
You too, Sam. Bye. Number 2. Daily routine.
Hi. When do you wake up?
Hello. I wake up at 6:30. You?
I get up at 7 o'clock. What's next?
I brush my teeth and shower.
Me too. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I have cereal. You?
I eat toast and eggs.
Sounds good. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. You?
I walk. My office is close.
Nice. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. When do you finish?
I finish at 5 o'clock. What's after work?
I go to the gym. Do you exercise?
Sometimes. I like to read.
Reading is fun. When do you have dinner?
At 7 o'clock. What about you?
I eat at 8 o'clock. Do you cook?
Not often. I order food. You?
I cook every day. It's fun.
That's great. What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock. You?
I sleep at 10:30. Early start.
Yes, sleep is important.
True. Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a good day. Number 3. Can you help me?
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm new here. I'm looking for the library.
Oh, welcome. The library is nearby.
That's good. How do I get there?
It's easy. Are you walking?
Yes. I don't have a car.
Okay. Go straight down this street.
How far should I walk?
About 2 blocks. Then turn right.
What will I see after I turn?
You'll see a big red building.
Is that the library?
No, but it's next to it.
On which side of the red building?
The library is on the left side.
Got it. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
Great. Is the library open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. You've been very kind.
Happy to help. Enjoy the library.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Number 4. Talking about your family. Hi. Do you have a big family?
Hello. Not really. How about you?
I have a small family. Any siblings?
Yes, one brother. You?
I have 2 sisters. Are you married?
No, I'm single. What about you?
I'm married. Do you have kids?
No kids yet. Do you?
Yes, I have a son. How old is your brother?
He's 25. How old are your sisters?
They're 30 and 32. Do your parents work?
My dad works. Mom stays home. Yours?
Both my parents are retired.
Nice. What did they do before?
Dad was a teacher. Mom was a nurse.
Interesting jobs. Where do they live?
In the same city as me. Your family?
They live in another state.
Do you visit them often?
Twice a year. Do you see yours?
Yes, every weekend. Family dinners?
That sounds fun. Do you cook together?
Sometimes. Mom usually cooks.
Lovely. I miss my mom's cooking.
You should visit more.
You're right. I'll call them today.
Great idea. Family is important.
It is. Thanks for the chat.
My pleasure. Nice talking to you. Number 5. Asking for directions. Excuse me. I'm lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the post office.
Okay. It's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
All right. Go straight on this street.
How far should I walk?
Walk for about 2 blocks.
What do I do after 2 blocks?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Is the post office on that street?
Not yet. Walk 1 more block.
Then what should I do?
You'll see a bank on the corner.
Is the post office near the bank?
Yes, it's right next to the bank.
On which side of the bank?
It's on the left side.
How long will it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes from here.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 5 p.m.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good luck.